Hello YouTube, this is Flash Cube 14, and today I'm gonna be doing a relay, including the 3x3 Dayan Zhanchi, which me personally I have to say moves great. It's adjustable because the middles come out. I just think it's a really good cube, but so that's just. I'm using the Zhanchi. I'm using the gear ball. I like to call it the gear sphere. It's called the gear ball, but I call it the gear sphere just because it sounds cool and it rhymes. So I'll be doing that, and I will be doing the 2x2 Rubik's brand pillow cube, I guess you could call it. So I guess here comes the relay. YouTube, go YouTube. Alright guys, let's get to it. So let's just start scrambling all these cubes. And I'll actually be using this watch right here to time, and I'll show you the time at the end. Hopefully I can get an interview. I don't know if I'll be able to, but I'm hoping I'll be able to get an interview. So there's number 1 messed up. Okay. Now the gear sphere. Let's mess this up a bunch. Now the thing is with these is this actually turns twice. Like, see, you would think that's one turn because this lines up. This actually can't turn, so you have to do the full rotation, which is actually the equivalent of 2 on a normal gear ball or gear sphere or whatever you're using. So, anyway, there's the gear sphere messed up. And now the 2x2 pillow cube, which, to be honest, I think it turns really well. You know, for a pillow, I'd say it just turns really well. No, I tried seeing whether once, it just doesn't work. No, I didn't know it's one of these. That's just geeky. I would be geeking out if I did that. So, okay, so there's that one. So, let me get my watch off, and we can do this. Okay, so my watch will be right here. You guys probably can't see it, so I'll just put it right up here. So, I will be going 2x2 gear sphere, and then the Rubik's. And so here we go. So ready, so first get to inspect them. So okay. Alright, so here we go in 3, 2, 1, go. One side. Okay, there's the 2x2 pillow. And there's the gear sphere solved right there. Now on to the 3x3. So let's go. Now see, the thing is the 3x3, it holds, you know, sometimes you'll, when it like crashes into a million pieces, is sometimes it will like drop some pieces, and if you insert them in wrong, then it's actually unsolvable, which I think is like really annoying. But that's kind of just how the mechanism works, I guess, but just sometimes really annoying, especially when you're in the middle of a solve and then it like totally explodes on you. It's just like really annoying. So, sorry it's taking so long, guys. I'm just trying to focus and talk at the same time, buddy, but believe it or not, you guys are my inspiration, just the people who I go to when I need people to go to, so thanks for being there, guys, and that is how you do the relay at a record time of 3:34 right there. So, Flash Cuber, you're awesome. See you guys later.